Hey, what's up? Hope you're doing great. Naqash Afzal back with another excited video tutorial. So after a long time, I'm working on this project. It's almost took me 1 year to finish it. So it's a really powerful and awesome tool for you. It's same like a Jarvis if you watch a movie Iron Man. So it can handle all the tasks for you, like your PC, your email, your WhatsApp, your social media, everything handle for you. Just subscribe this channel and like this video. It's took too much time and too much money to make this app. So let's dig in. So that's the main page of the app. So that's the download page. I already mentioned the link in description. If you have any trouble while installing, just scroll down. I have the all instruction written here. So you must have Python for that, and that's the instruction. So next thing, it's important, we must have API keys for LLM. So we have three type of APIs where we are going to use inside our software. So basically there is a three option. First of all, Gemini AI. So Gemini is the most powerful LLM for best for this app, but there is some limitation and restriction. And you also get the free quota if you have like 2 or 3 tasks a day, so you can use Gemini API without paying any money. And next thing, we have OpenRouter, and that's the basically website which provide you all about. As you can see here, they mention like 300 plus model like Gemini Cloud, with a little bit less price than other websites. So there is also some free models, you can use them with that tool here. So next and recommended option, if you have a good hardware like a GPU, good VRAM and RAM, so you can use Ollama and install it on your PC and use with any model. So but that's the main issue, you must have a good hardware, otherwise it's gonna give you really slow result. So we are going with today we are going to use this option because it's pretty fast and super intelligent. So we are going to use Gemini API for our for this tutorial. So for getting a API from AI Studio, just open aistudio.google.com and click on get API. So as you can see here, we are on API page. I already generate one API. If you don't have anything here, just click on create API, create a new project and create a key, so you get this API. So click on API key, copy it and open the software. So that's the first look of the software. So we will talk little about it. In first we need to set up API key. So click on system setting, and here we select the Google Gemini, and we just paste our API here and test connection and save. Make sure it's come in green, connection successful. It's mean it's already connected with Gemini API, so you are ready to use it. So first of all, we have many features here: command center, neural chat, account, social media pro, but we are not going to discuss them all. So I can show you the main thing we are using it for ourselves here. So first of all, we have the command center. So let me show you the magic. So make sure when you click on god mode, it's mean basically it can provide all your PC access to this software. So it can delete your files, it can create file, it can kill any task running on background, it can close any software, it can access your browser, everything. So first we try god mode. So if you have more action command, like more than one, if you want it's run more than one command, so just turn on autopilot. So let's try with god mode. So let's open our desktop. As you can see here, on our desktop we have a lot of files which is really mess up. So what I want to do, I want to put in separate folder each file, like zip file in zip folder and .png file in one png folder. So I want to do that, so it's really time consuming. So what I do here, so I'm just showing you the demo what you can do with that uh god mode. So I just want organize my all files on desktop of this PC according to file types in each separate folder. So if you don't if you are a lazy keyboard typer, so you just turn on the box. So basically if you have a mic with your PC, so you can just type everything with commands, so with voice. So we are let's see what's happened. Just click on execute. So let's see what it does. So as you can see here, all CDR files in CDR folder, exe file in exe folder, so HTML file in HTML folder, JPEG file in JPEG folder. So they organize everything. So that's the power of God mode. So let me show you more step, like please, okay, which software taking most of my laptop RAM right now? Check in taskbar or task manager. So let's see what it does. So as you can see here, they will provide you all the tasks which consume most of the RAM. So that's what you can do here. But make so before turning on God mode, so I will warn you, it accepts your all PC. It's have ability to delete your all files and create, do it on your own risk. So next thing we have a VN AI. So what are you doing on your PC? So it's gonna see live. So next we have a neural chat. So basic it's just chat with your LLM. Next we have account. Just add your all Facebook account which you want, a Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Reddit, WhatsApp account which you want to automate. So next we have a social media pro. So here we have a really awesome and comment board. So we designed this tool to get not restricted by any website, or any website no, it's bot not human, so we try to behave it like a human. So let's say I already connect my Twitter account with this. Before we running this bot, we need to initialize browser from the command center. So we just click here. So as you can see here, it's open a new browser. Go back to your social media pro. Now here we have some tools. So if you don't find your platform here, it's Twitter or Facebook, otherwise just paste a link here. Like if you are want to comment on so if you don't find your platform here, so you just paste a link here. If you want to reply comments on YouTube, so just paste the YouTube link. So I'm going to use it right now for demonstration. Twitter. So what I do here we need to add a topic we want to reply under all the tweet. Like I want to reply on tweets which have topic of like what we say, do it Iran war. So let's see, that's the hot topic right now. So we have here option for max replies 5 and delay between. You can increase it if you get any restriction on your account, but we do that's the normal limits we have. So increase it to avoid rate limits. So after adding the topic, we have a max replies time, 5 delay time, and everything. So there is a most important thing, reply style. So just give it anything like as Iranian, or I am Iranian, defending Iran, most logical, let's sarcasm. Okay, that's it. So they are going to reply all the tweets according to this. So let's start our board, start auto comment board. So we just reply like 3 tweets because otherwise it take too much time. Just click on start auto comment board and open our browser. As you can see here, it's auto redirect to x.com and search the topic around more. So it's going to post on first 5 tweets. So as you can see here, it's open tweets. It's just not open tweets. It's read the tweet and reply accordingly. So as you can see here, first is read the tweet and now reply. Is this profound insight you want to share, or did you compelling fact just? So as you can see here, one reply is finished. Now it's go back to the page and go to the next tweet and reply. We are done. We already post 3 tweets. So let's see. So as you can see here, board finished, reply 3, total daily 3. So you can do with all the other platform. Next we have WhatsApp Pro. So that's really amazing. First of all, that's the normal one. Just add any phone number, and if you want to text anyone through AI, just add any phone, but make sure your WhatsApp already connected with this browser. So let's check this AI autoresponder. So my WhatsApp is already open on this browser. So what I want, so first of all I need to tell him my role. So let's say we are advertising agency based in UAE. So let's see, just click on start autoresponder. Okay, first we are advertising agency named first PK paste. So click on start autoresponder. Let's see. So if we open the browser, so as you can see here, automatically redirecting to the browser, and it's find if there is any unread email WhatsApp. So as you can see here, it's now reading our messages. So it's replying automatically. So as you can see here, it's auto reply everything. So what it does basically, it's a really clever bot. So first it's read first 5 messages like 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5, and they reply accordingly according to that persona you write here. So that's really awesome. So that's really awesome. So this time it's only reply for one message because there is only one unread message. Otherwise, if there is 10 unread message, so they can reply all of them for you. So that's really powerful. And next thing we have here, communication. So you just connect your Gmail account with that. It's read your email and reply them for you. So scroll down, it's all right now experimental, so we are working on them. So this is really powerful. So AI phone and SMS, it connects your mobile phone and mobile number with original AI agent. So AI agent is talk behalf of you, behalf on your behalf. So if someone call you, so AI agent will uh, pick up the call and reply everything. So next we have the wake up word. So it's same like if you say hey Google, so it's wake up. It's same like hey Omni, so it's gonna wake up. So next we have a data lab for deep research. It's really powerful. It's research everything for you. If you provide any topic and make a Excel sheet or Word file for you. Next we have a crypto trader. This is really amazing, but I don't recommend you use your original money with that because I tried it, so it didn't earn anything for me, or I didn't lose anything with it. It's open trade, close trade on some algorithm. So we are working on that, but we don't recommend you can use it with your live money. If you want to use or try it, you must have Binance account, Coinbase, and Kraken. Next we have the agent lab. So if you want to if you have any complex goal, just write it here. So this all app behave like that. So that's simple. And next we have a business scraper. It's really powerful. So if you provide, let's say we find a business from Google Maps, so it extract all the data like name, category, address, of how many stars they get, phone number, website, everything. Let's say we need 10, so you can increase until 100. So I just say okay, we need to find 10. Okay, AI developer in UAE. So let's see. Right now, it's only working with Google Maps, because it's also work with LinkedIn and Instagram, but we just disable because we get the restriction from LinkedIn and Instagram. So we are fixing that because we want to make it more clever, so, behave like a human. So let's click on scrape now and open our browser. So as you can see here, scrape complete zero business found, because our browser is not working, because we already close it when we are using WhatsApp. So that's it. So we go back to our command center, initialize browser, and our browser is open. Go back to business scraper, and now scrape now. So now if we can open, as you can see here, it's automatically go on Google Maps, find all the businesses, and it's are ready to scrape. And if you see in here, so it's already scrape 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's really fast. 8, 9, and 10. So as you can see here, scrape complete. Now you can see all your company's name, categories, address, phone number, website, or everything. Just create an Excel file, click on excel.xls, or just you also create a CSV file. And that's all for this. If you need anything else, if you want to ask anything, just comment below. I'm here to help. We are making it so advanced, and it's 100% free for everyone. So if you have any suggestion to make it more advanced, or we will fix that, just comment below. And there is a lot of option. If you go through all these option, it's really powerful. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and follow this page, and like this video, and share it with your friend. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.